Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy V Dollar back. In today's video is lit. So today I have a strategy coming down with some analysis and definitely some live trading. I'm discussing what we call the top to down analysis. This is really super and it's really super. So I'll be using this same strategy with the analysis on GBPJPY, and I'll definitely get trades on my account as you guys work. Please make sure you subscribe and you can join our main Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. So we are going to slide into the charts. Yo, what's up team? We are going to slide into the analysis and how this actually works. Straight up. So we are on GBPJPY. All the information discussed in this video is just basing on my personal analysis and what I actually know about this. It's called the top to down analysis. It basically means we are starting from the top and then coming to down straight up. What we shall have to do here is we are going to start from bigger time frames. Okay, we are going to start from bigger time frames. You can start from the daily, you can start from the H4 depending, but let's say we have started from the H4. Awesome. So this is how we look like on the H4. Now when you are on a bigger time frame, our main intention is to mark out some of those key levels. Okay, so basically key levels can be the support and resistance levels. Let me show you real quick. I guess most of you now know this concept. We just have to mark out those key levels where maybe the market could have reached and then bounced back down, reach and then bounce back up, just this concept all the way through. So these points are easily identified on bigger time frames. If we can actually go to the daily, you would see even a clear example on what I am trying to say. So let's go down maybe to the daily and boom. So you guys can see that it's really a good one. On the daily, you can even mark out literally all these levels. As you guys can see, we had this good key level here. You can see that the market is reaching the level and then bouncing off. It's being a support level. You see market reaching, getting supported, pushing up, just like that, as you guys can see. Then I can also go ahead and draw many multiple key levels around, just for the purpose of showing you the example. So the most recent key level that I was actually able to draw is this horizontal line here. Okay, you can also draw a triangle. Boom, there we go. As you guys can see, we have this resistance level. As you can see, the market reaching the level, getting resisted to push back down. Okay, let me zoom in a little more. You guys can see, boom, bouncing back down, coming back, reaching the level, bouncing, basically just like that. So that's a clear example. So due to the fact that it happened once, twice, and then the third time, literally, it means this is a very good key level. So at this point, what I expect is, since the market had actually bounced off, I would expect it to go continuously down. But yeah, what we can do is we can scale down to a smaller time frame. Now this time around, it's the H4, and boom, we are on the H4 right about now. And boom, this is how we are looking like. So we had the first one, the second one, the third one. Awesome. Now initially, the previous time the market bounced off the key level was this point. Okay, as you can see, we bounced down up to this point. Okay, we came up to this point here, and then now we have this form of a pullback, or it may not be a pullback. So that's what we are going to confirm. So now at this point, you can now start figuring out other ways. Could you be able to trace a few trend lines? Can you be able to find out this and that? so that you can actually find out, is it going to the upside or it's now coming back down. Okay, awesome. Now these things are easily confirmed as you continuously scale down to a smaller time frame. Now we were on the H4, as you can see here, so we are going to scale down to the H1 and then continuously have a bigger picture into this. Now at this point I can trace trend lines. Those are the ones I had actually drawn. I can trace this little trend line, just a small trend line here and one more just right here. Boom. Right now I also have these levels. Let me just extend this a little bit here. Oh sorry, it's now invisible. Boom. And then we also have this. Now why have I drawn these levels? Because there were key levels previously. See, the market bounced off. So that's a key level to me, so I would have to draw it out. Now on the other side we have these two trend lines to form a channel. Remember, when we have two trend lines, okay, when we have two trend lines, that's a channel. We expect the market to probably be playing in just like this, you know, something like that. So right now it's the same thing that we were actually looking at straight up in here. Now at this point we have the channel. Now the channel was broken, okay, because you can see that we were bouncing in around the channel and then later it has been broken. Now whenever these channels are broken or whenever a trend line is broken or at any key level, most often enough we will expect a retest, okay, or a pullback to retest the key level. Okay, in this particular case this is a key level, the trend line. So you can see the market came back for a retest and now we are coming to downside. Now at this point I would enter small sell, having my first take profit at this point, but then I would keep extending my take profit as I get deeper into profits. Now let's first check and see what we could possibly fall up to. But at this point I would definitely have to scale in a position. If we can first go to the 15 and then see how it looks like. Sorry, on the M15. Boom. So we are on the M15 and this is how maybe let's try the M30 first. We'll have a good look into this. There we go. So these are the trend lines that we had actually drawn. Okay, straight up. You guys can see that. So now at this point I'm going to enter sell. Okay, I'll enter sell at this point and I'll just stop loss a little. Oh sorry, probably up to that point, and then I'm going to now start tracking these positions down. Now let me enter these positions on my MT4 too. Okay, let me get these positions in. Sell. Boom, I'm in. Now a pro tip here is we can always scale in the more we get into profits, but don't scale in when your positions are still in losses. That's not a good idea at all. No way. Okay, it's not a good idea. You can only scale in when we get into profits, because that really works and it's magical. Okay, so that's how we are going about GBPJPY. So basically a quick recap on the top to down analysis. We are starting, it's just so easy. Consider the bigger time frames, the daily or the H4, and then after that what you can do is find those key levels, and then you can now start scaling down to smaller time frames as you get that bigger picture on how you can get your trades in. So I hope you guys liked the video, and please make sure you subscribe. You can join our main Telegram channel, that link is in the description below. So I will see you